Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel or they come across my YouTube video, you're highly welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you set in. So my people, this video na 2 in 1, and one of the video where we go talk about now about this Nollywood and Yoruba actress Funke Akindele, wey don come out come set out advice for young ladies and young men out there. Another matter wey we go talk about na about this couple wey una dey see so for una screen with their in-laws joined together, my people, and the saga wey come out because of pregnancy, and it leads to actually one person going down. But before we wan talk about that, make we talk about wetin our actress don come out come talk. Una sabi say this our actress Funke get more than one marriages now. She don enter comot. So at all now she be say she gets kind of experience when it comes to that matter. So for some interview where they come dey do am, she say she go advise all those young people wey never get into marriage, say make they think well before they set their feet in there. Say marriage at all no be bed of roses. You suppose know very well before you set your feet in there. And say she dey tell every youth out there, say make you no hurriedly enter into marriage. Say if you hurriedly enter into marriage, now be say you go hurriedly come out, as per wetin she don experience am for inside the marriages wey she don live inside. So she dey advise everybody, say make not your peer mates come dey put you into pressure, neither your mother come dey tell you say I want to carry my grandchildren, I want you to get married, I want to buy ashwabi, I have been buying this for my friend's children's wedding. Yeah, my case is not going to be different. When I know all of this matter wey our African parents sabi put on top of our heads, she say make we not leave these people pressurize us into marriage, because the same way where you take enter inside, where they hurriedly enter inside, now so you go hurriedly come out from the marriage. I can't reason the matter say at all not true, my people. But make una write for comment section what you think about that section for video. Make we go for the next one. My people, the next one we want to talk about, and this one when they see for on a screen like this, not be news we can't dey jolly like that, but we suppose bring her out because now a very big lesson to everybody out there. Why I talk so now? Because of waiting don't take happen. When they see this mother-in-law where it's for on a screen like that, over Sabi now don't send her daughter-in-law for her early grave. As in, over Sabi don't send her daughter-in-law making Lego together with the two sister-in-laws when they see at all una never marry, una no kuku know how marriage look like, una never get belle, una no know how pregnancy look like, but una don't make her somebody daughter don't enter early grave because of wetin over Sabina they do una family. Before you want marry my brother or my sister where you can't say outside, make you dey very careful, like our actress just tell us right now. Say make you not hurriedly enter into marriage. All this mommy son so you suppose dey very careful with them, because now their mother now they rule their home for them. As per wetin this story come as concern us, say this boy wey una dey see so, now his mother now they come rule in life. Now his mother decision now dey permanent for his marriage, and now his mother decision now they carry do out for their matrimony, where at all no be good idea. The sister-in-laws matter na say they not too love their sister-in-law like that, and it lead until when she go RIP. I come again, make I talk the matter for una. This man wanna they see like that with a beautiful bride for them. That bride don't carry go R1P just early because of waiting. The pregnancy where she carry, she no fit push the baby come out. She don't go for antenatal. Una sabi na her medical team come the advice she and her husband say the baby too big, you no fit carry push this baby on your own. So we as your medical team take the advice you say make you go for elective CS. But as mother-in-law come reject her, the boy come tell him mama say never, say she go push that baby out, say they no go carry blade come tear her tummy, say she go push that baby out. Who she think say she no fit push, na mother she dey now. Una know that kind things. Now say mothers go come out still come talk say I have 3 children, I push them out. Una know how it dey, why her case go dey different. All this kind thing way mother-in-law sabi talk like that. The girl say my my medical team don't talk say me go for elective CSO because the baby too big for me to come push out. Mother say I know herbalist, I know one herbalist wey e go help you. Una sabi say herbalist and juju na two different matter na e dey. If she carry am go herbalist, say the herbalist go help the girl come born without problem, say she go give birth to her child without CS. Na so they carry am go herbalist, my people. Come reach there, they can't give that girl everything wey the herbalist fit to give her, but the girl no dey fit. Instead the girl dey go weak and weak as time come dey pass. The girl dey lose her strength, her baby sef dey distress for inside her tummy. Una know everything come dey go down. Now so for that means that herbalist come say no, she no do again. No, make they carry her go hospital. Say na hospital now go help. Make they go for that selective CS, my people. Before the one come reach hospital, the girl don't let go. The girl don't go R1P just like that because of oversabi mother and mommy son. Because if at all this man be fit make personal decision and take stand on top like no, my wife she go give birth for hospital, selective CS night she go do, and his mother won't say anything, they say no, it go turn like that. Now wait till I don't talk. Now my wife will they talk about, now my marriage will they talk about, my decision I be final for my house. Mommy, carry yourself, come to your husband house. Me self as a husband to somebody, make me make decision, my people. If this boy be stand firm on his word today, we know for the telling wife say RIP. We know for the telling wife say my sister, you do well, you try, but it no work out, my people. See how this girl don't go like that just so soon. She don't let go just like that because of mommy's son, my people. Now my message to all the mother-in-laws, you as a mother-in-law wey kuku can't do this one like this, you get daughters. The daughters they here they perambulate on top of our screen, you they see them. These daughters like that, they go come marry tomorrow, they go come get pregnant. What if their husband mother say now only true herbalist now they go give birth? What till you as a mother go come they think inside your mind? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play? Wetin come dey do that love where human being can't get am for human being? Wetin come dey do that love where woman self supposed be woman skipper? Where it dey, my people? Wetin dey happen? The news just come dey do my body one kind way, because even the sisters-in-law no come dey love their brother's wife. Forget to say day two tomorrow they go come be somebody's wife, and they go come be somebody's brother wife. Join add on top. Just see how this young girl just go RIP just like that. Because of wetin two no mommy over sabi brothers and sisters come dey join husband na mommy son, get mouth to make decision for him family, can't take care for am. My people, I see the matter, my chest can't dey pain me. I say now I suppose bring her out, make me talk about the matter. I don't know what to think about it. Make una write for comment section what to think about this particular matter. Yes, if una like the video, make una give the video a thumbs up. Make una not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I go see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out.